Container queries in CSS are a game changer for responsive design. Imagine being able to style elements based on the size of their parent container, rather than just the viewport. This means your layouts can adapt more intelligently to different screen sizes and contexts. With container queries, you can define styles that kick in when a container reaches a specific width or height. For example, you could have a card that changes its layout from a column to a row as it gets wider, ensuring that content is always displayed optimally. This feature allows for more modular and reusable components, making your design process smoother and more efficient. It's like giving your elements a sense of awareness about their surroundings. So, whether you're building a complex grid or a simple card layout, container queries help you create a more flexible and user-friendly experience.